Y'all better stay away from that catnip, because I ain't never seen no homeless cat before. Psh, get a job, pal. Bro, ain't no way. Are you the guy off Phineas and Ferb?
Leave me alone.
Damn, my fault. Yo, how she got a better phone than me? Damn, these new generation kids got everything, bro. I ain't even have a phone. Oh. Damn, I ain't never seen no pig in real life. Shit, I don't even eat pork. But I ain't know they had the... So why'd you do it? Why'd you do it? You want to try again? They caught you with the catnip. Have fun and...